Boom! Dow up 669 points. Wow, what a huge pop in the markets today. Check this out. Everybody in bullish territory. All major indices. Spider up almost 3%. Same for the Dow. NASDAQ almost 4%. These are huge increases. Russell's up more than 2%. Financials up more than 3%. US dollar slightly down. Crude oil down 0.5%. Gold up 0.5%. Silver up nearly 1%. VIX dropping. Fear dropping by 15%. Bitcoin down by 6%. GBTC down by 8%. And oh man, this week is going to be interesting. Let's take a look at it. We had this big symmetrical triangle on the S&P 500. This is called the Spider. This is an ETF on the S&P 500. And we had this big drop. We broke a major area of support there. See that big, and that's big time warning, big time trouble. Bad things are going to happen unless it heals itself. And that's precisely what it did. It popped right back up. It opened above this trend line. It tried to sell off. It did not. By days in, we rally all the way up, making a higher high than the previous session. And you can see it right there. Higher high. This could be a jab. This jab means, if this is truly a jab, where we come down, we jab the support line, we immediately come back, heal itself. This could be a significant run to the upside, and the importance of this is huge for the bulls out there, and I want to explain it to you. But before I do, I need to put a big fat buy on this. So there's my buy signal on the Spider daily chart. Here's the deal. We have resistance. We go higher. We have resistance around 275 on the Spider. Let me tell you why this is so important. It's actually 270, not 75 on the weekly, but let's take a look at this. On the weekly, last week we broke a major area of support, okay? For this to heal itself, to also be a big jab, it needs to come up and get above 270. If we can get above 270, I would say even above 268 for the end of the week. 268 would be really good for the weekly, but it's not enough for the monthly, and this is hugely important that you understand this. Let me go here to the monthly. The monthly, we were up. We were staying above this huge and very important trend line. This trend line had a lot of resistance back here in 2010. It touches it here in 2011, smashes it here in 2014. We pop over it here 2000, and we hit our heads at 2017, 2018. We pop over it. And in February, it went down, but we came back closing above it. That was hugely important. This month, we go higher. We go lower. We have a lower high, higher low. You see this? But we're below this major area. If we close below this, it's going to be big time bearish on the monthly chart, okay? However, it will be bullish if it goes up, and closes above 275. If we're at 275 by the end of this week, guys, that is going to dodge a huge bearish bullet. Huge. So the monthly has to get to 275. If the monthly does that, if we go to the weekly, that puts us right about here, meaning that we will have a higher high from last week's high. Right there. Do you see this? If we can do up, get a higher high, this is a big time buy signal. Big time buy signal. And that is going to be really good for the market on a bullish side. If you look at the daily chart, a daily chart on the Spider, we go up. 275 puts us right at resistance. So by Friday, if we can end at that blue line on Friday, that is going to be great for the bulls. Great for the bulls. If it fails to do that, and especially if it fails to get above this 267, if it chops around down here in the low part by week's end, Sell City, that should continue downward, okay? I'm giving you some great insight here. Great insight. The other thing, the reason I put a buy signal here, you can see my MACD 592. We do have a crossover with a histogram tick to the upside, which is very good. I wish I had more volume today. Didn't get it. But let's take a look at the diamonds. The diamonds, I'm going to put a buy here, but we got a lot of upside resistance. We got a lot of upside resistance here. What will it do with that trend line? NASDAQ. I'm going to put a buy on NASDAQ. I'm going to put a... Oh, I'm a little early. I don't know if I can put a buy yet on the Russells. Not going to do it. Financials. Not going to do that one either. But I think it's going to be just fine. My dollar is heading down. Crude oil still heading up. Gold heading up. But we're at resistance. Look at this. We got near resistance and sellers came in. This is a sell time. Guys, be careful. If you're holding gold right now, take profits. Get your stop losses put in place. It needs to bust through this to get bullish. Let's see what silver is doing. Silver up, up, up. Now we have a shooting star at the falling 200-day moving average. So interesting. We did break this small minor trend line, which isn't too shabby, but it's caught up in the moving averages, guys. Don't get too excited about this. The VIX up, up, up. I'm going to put a sell now on the VIX. The VIX now has a sell on the VIX. Bitcoin. Oh, man, it broke support. Bad news. There's a sell signal on Bitcoin. Look for that to go lower. It had a symmetrical triangle, and it broke major support. GBTC. Still have support. I'm going to stay with my buy call on that. All right, let's look at some stocks because we are going to put a lot of buy signals on these stocks. Let's go to Grok Tech Stocks. Look at Apple. We're going to put a buy on Apple. Come on, buy. Apple. Amazon. Yes, Amazon gets a buy. Oops. Baba gets a buy. I love it on my video days that you guys get to see me putting my buys on. I can't do it yet on Baidu. Priceline, BKNG. I'm a little early. Cisco. Cisco gets a buy. Cisco gets a buy. Catfish gets a buy. Buy signal. A buy signal. eBay barely gets a buy, but has upside resistance. Facebook. Oh, man, look at that hammer. Hammer time. Went down, 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 up, 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 up. It's going to get a buy. Google. Can't do it. Yeah, oh, boy, boy, boy. Okay. I'm overriding a couple things. I'm going to add a buy to my Google. Adding buys to my Google. GoPro, 3%. Do I want to put a buy on this? I do have a tweezer bottom. Because of the tweezer bottom and about 7 other things I see, I will put a buy on that. Microsoft, up 7%. Are you kidding me? Microsoft, a blue chip company, healed itself, jab, big time pop above the 20-day moving average. Huge. Netflix, big pop. Nice. Buy time. Buy. Nvidia, 5% buy. Oracle, up almost 4%. Buy. Huge run today. Man, PayPal up 3%. Not a buy. Red Hat, up 3.5%. Oh, man. I'm going to put a buy on that. Shopify, no buy. Snap, no buy. Still staying with Twitter, up 2.8%. Oh, I'm just not going to do it. Not going to do it. Let's go to the Dow 30. The only reason I'm doing all the stocks again is simply because of what we're seeing in the markets. Wow, another jab. AXP gets a buy. Caterpillar, yo boy, I'm gonna gets a buy. Cisco, already give it a buy. CVX, not interested. Disney, oh man, I think it's gonna go higher. gets a buy. A couple of these could burn me, guys. Dow's not going to get a buy. G's not going to get a buy. GS, Goldman Sachs not going to get a buy. Home Depot, is it going to get a buy? I'm going to wait for confirmation. IBM gets a buy. Buy signal, IBM. INTC. Do you see how fast I can go through these? Look at this. Big pop on Intel. Johnson & Johnson, no buy. JP Morgan, no buy. Coca-Cola, no buy. McDonald's, oh boy, I'm not going to put a buy. I think it's going to go higher though. Tweezer bottom on 3M. But this one could burn me. I got a lot going against me on that one. Merck. I'm going to put a buy on Merck. Microsoft, already put a buy on it. Nike, no buy. PFE, no buy. PG Travelers, no buy. We're going to get a buy on United Health. UTX, oh, gets a nice buy. Visa. Oh, la la la. That one's a risky one. I'm going to put a buy on it, though. It's a risky one. Verizon. It's another one. Man, so many of these that they could go against me so quickly. Microsoft, nothing. Exxon, nothing. There it is. Monologue time. Boom. Guys, man, let me just show you. 5,000 viewers. Look at that, 5,001. Let me hit refresh here. Refresh. Yeah, 5,001. I don't know. Can you guys see that? YouTube. 5,001. 91 likes, 9 dislikes. So 1 out of 10 says, no, pew, D7, your videos stink. And thank you for all the comments. 69 comments. And I think I have responded to every one of them. I love your comments. I love you clicking this. I love your reviews on our company. Thank you. I so appreciate that. Awesome. Awesome. So you guys rock. You guys rock. I have these meet and greets, coffees with Mark and D7. Guys, I want to meet with my people. If you guys have, let me just show this to you. Hold on. Let me just show this to you. Grok Trade. Okay, once you go to groktrade.com, scroll all the way to the bottom. Right here. And you guys in Des Moines, I added it. I had Keisha add this. My assistant. But here are all the areas we're going to do meetups. Put in your information, choose which area that you could drive to, and we will talk for an hour or two just about shop. We'll talk about trading. We'll talk about just stuff. That's what we'll do. So do that. We have a 3-day training coming up that you can join us right there. That number, cell number, right here. That one, right here. Give us your name and email address, and we will shoot you some information about the 3-day course we have coming up. And it's all done online. It's all done online. It's 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Full days. It's highly comprehensive, very thorough. Anyway, you guys rock. You're the best. Thank you for sharing it. Sharing is caring. Catch you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.